everyone. Thank you for attending this session. We will talk today about MRO course. This is MRO session. It will be like concept or information related to our manufacturing and system. So let's see here. This is presentation, MRO supplies and CPM maintenance. We will talk on MRO. First one, type of inventories. Next one, asset integrity. Third one, EBC asset analysis. Next one, inventory turnover ratio. Next one, EOQ, economic order quantity. Next one, the order reorder point in unit. It's called ROB. Next one related to SKU or key stock keeping unit. This will be discussed today, inshallah, in this session. So first of all, MRO. What's the meaning of MRO? It's called maintenance, repair, and operational consumables. This is considered in any manufacturing plant or any industry. This is concept shall be there. Or in another meaning, it's called inventory. So inventory meaning it will be utilized for support production team, support technician, support engineer, in order to keep our assets in good condition and our production with maximum performance, as we discussed. First of all, inventory meaning. Inventory refer to all items, goods, material held by business for a specific purpose. Warehouse stock, item registration and sale. This is three types of stock. First one, warehouse stock, it is normal one, which item registration and sale. Second one, hidden stock, item inside cabinet, toolbox or under stairs. This is material called lost. Each year when physical inventory is done, Lean concept reduce the hidden stock. And the next one, dead stock related to spare were removed from long time ago. Inventory can be divided into four categories. What is the categories of inventory? First one, finished goods. Second one, work in progress. Next one, raw manufacturing, and last one, maintenance, repair, operating items, MRO, which we will discuss today. MRO are consumed in production and plant maintenance. MRO not ultimately seen in the end process themselves. MRO item may include first one, gloves, safety equipment, computer industry equipment, consumables, plant upkeep supplies. So if we see here, inventory classification has three types. Active inventory, which we call it EI. An item or part is used last once a month, it is considered as an active inventory. Infrequently inventory, IUI. This is item are infrequently used less than 10 times per year. Rare used inventory, RUI. This item fall into category must have, and they sit on the shelf and there is later we can allow it. This item must be on hand when needed. SAP Excel classification criticality into four categories. RL1, which meaning major criticality in red color. RL2, significant criticality in orange color. RL3, minor criticality in yellow color. And the next one, RL1, major criticality in green color. This is main color of our inventory. As a criticality rank, each piece of equipment which impact on our process. So if we have any process, we have impact. So we can classify all assets, compressors, columns, valve, anything in the plant based on asset criticality. This is point building and offices, roads, facilities, infrequently used production equipment, support equipment, critical equipment, mobile equipment, shutdown, limit overall production, and last one, shutdown entire plant. If you see here, this is asset criticality matrix. It's divided by 5, and it's depend on negligible, marginal, serious, critical, and on x-axis unlikely, rare, occasional, frequently, very frequently. For SAPIC HSS impact and operation matrix in the consequence axis. Now we will discuss ABC asset analysis. inventory classification based on delivery time and the cost value. ABC classification depend on Pareto principle. This is scientist call it Pareto. He gave us very important concept. It's called 80-20, which meaning 80 of effort make only 20 of important, or 80 of important make only 20 of effort. So this one Pareto principle, it will use in MRO science. Classification A, one of the kind part with long delivery and high cost. So we classifying asset to A, B, C. A, high cost, long delivery, and this one included 20% of the product, or in another mean 80% of inventory. Classification B, standard part that may be stored in inventory warehouse or made available by local distribution, and this one equal 30% of product and 13% of inventory value. Classification C are standard part like consumable, which is available by local distribution in a few hours or couple of days or low cost. Include 50% of products that are representative of 5 inventory value investment. Inventory turnover, what's the meaning of turnover? All of us meaning turnover, the management need to change the stuff. But here in the inventory science, there are turnover. So turnover in inventory ratio indicate utilization and restock ratio in your inventory in specific. This is ratio strike a good balance between having enough inventory on one hand and not having or to reorder frequently to another hand. Next point, optimize inventory turnover during the course of the year as per world class best practice. I have this best practice book I will share with all of you. It's a range between 1 and 2, and this range can be varied depending on industry type. Next one, higher inventory turnaround ratio. What's meaning? It's indicate to insufficient inventory. Inventory is not complete, and it can be lead to shutdown plan. Lower inventory, the reverse of the concept, indicate too much inventory in stock, and it will increase expenses through increased item of delivery and related logistic cost. Now we have two mathematical formula. First one, inventory turns, it is equal inventory used in year multiply on average inventory, and average inventory it is equal beginning inventory plus ending inventory divided on 2. Example, refinery wanted to calculate the inventory turnaround rate of guard filter. You know this guard filter for our plant in order to avoid purging or compressing the gases inside one area or one equipment. This is review the record and defined maintenance department under 500 filters and had average 300 filter on one hand at any given while max inventory. So average inventory will be 500 plus 300 equal multiply on 2 equal 400, and the inventory turn 500 multiply on 4, it is 1.25. 2.5 in our acceptable range, and it's considered okay for us. Use it to what is meaning of EOQ, economic order quantity. Use it to optimize the inventory level by ordering the right quantity at a specific time or level to minimize inventory cost. It goes back to 1930. This concept appeared in 1930 when one scientist called Ford Wilson wrote the article called about how many parts to make at once, or it is known as Wilson formula. This is one related to Wilson formula. Wilson formula EOQ equal square root of E multiplied by D multiplied by S divided on H. D meaning demand, S meaning order cost, H meaning inventory carrying cost per unit here. Let's see here one example. A refinery has a new equipment and they need to add guard filter into equipment bill of material. Equipment data sheet shown at least 20 guard filters shall be replaced annually. Supplying to provide quotation was price 500 per unit as DDB in quoter. DDB, for anyone know, it is meaning delivery duty date. Include logistic fees. Total cost like labors and crane in the warehouse is $5 as per unit annually. Calculate turnaround ratio EOQ. So EOQ equal by square root 2 by D by S multiplied on H. So it equals 63.3. So EOQ for this filter, economic order quantity, when I make new order, I will make by 64. 64 filter is okay and enough to achieve our plant requirement and also to keep maximum cost saving for our plant. Next concept called reorder point, ROB. Reorder point. Now we know that good quantity which needed or correct quantity which you need to order, but when we order, today, tomorrow, every 6 months, every 3 months, every 1 year, every 2 years. This is concept appeared by ROP, reorder point. It is called amount of inventory that don't want to go below. We need to keep an ROP ordered exactly in the same time, in the same correct time. No need to go under them. If more, it will be impact cost, but it is good in order to avoid shutdown plant. So the ROD is equal average weekly demand multiplied by lead time plus safety buffer stock. And if you see here, lead time is time between consequence point on the safety stock line. So here in yellow color the order point, green color arrival date, and dash red it is safety stock. So we need to keep reorder point not lower than this line. This line shall be not lower than the order point of unit, otherwise our inventory will impact. So explanation, the optimum replacement of the guard is 100 per year. Average weekly demand is, as we said, 20 required multiplied by 52. In the year we have 52 weeks, so equal 4.38. Ordering cost for each purchase order is $500. Inventory carrying cost per unit annually is $5. The average lead time for replacement is 2 weeks, and the buffer stock is 10 units. So EQ square root 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 50 divided on 5 equals 63, we discussed before. And ROB equal 0.38 multiplied by 2 plus 10 buffer stock equal 10.76. Then the economical quantity, as I am material planner, I will order 64 filter in every, when the level go down, 11 filter. As soon as 11 filter go down, I will automatic system or me, I will order 64 again. This is the best practice to do this one. And if you see here the same screen, this is the material type number 239579, and this one, if you see here, the order point is 2. So when the order point decrease than 2, reach to 1, automatic I will order or system will be order 64 or the number required by this material. SKU, stock keeping unit. This is new concept using in inventory science, which meaning scannable barcode, most often used in printed and the product label in the store. In each equipment, each spare, everything inside my inventory, I have SKU like QR code, barcode. Let's see now. This is label allow vendors to automatically track the movement of inventory. Type of SKU, Universal Product Code, UPC. Second one, Quick Response Code. So UPC, it is look like barcode, and QR code, it look like QR code here. That's all of our session. Thank you for attending. I hope everyone understands. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.